Hello, welcome everybody. It's Tuesday, January 19th. Stream for gift. Back again, looking for some moves on gold. See if we can catch some. Had a nice down move at 6. Sorry, a little late. I was doing some writing, just journaling the moves and everything. I'll get back on at 6, I think, starting tomorrow. Like right at 6, I'll be on probably like 5:55. The moon was pretty clean, but all right, let's get started. So the weekly, we can see that this weekly is kind of going green. He had this big liquidity grab yesterday. Yesterday was a bank holiday, so it's pretty choppy. We had that move down. It hit the support. Grab liquidity pushed all the way up. When we go down to the 4-hour, see the 4-hour did turn red. That is quite bearish. There's also news coming up too. Go to Forex Factory. The 1 hour, it's kind of indecision. It went all the way down to start the hour. Oh, there is no news. I guess it was just light news, so it doesn't really affect it. I only have the red news on my Forex Factory filtered out. But anyways, so it went all the way down, pushed up after grabbing some liquidity. Now the 30-minute finished with a big wick at the bottom. 50-minute did close green as well. Right now is a tough time to buy ores. I think I'm gonna have to wait, but I do feel like this is gonna turn green because we're on this kind of bullish move. Actually, wait, let me redo that. We're in a range. It's tough. We're in this 100 pip range right now. Sorry, excuse me. So I'm looking at it. We're on a downtrend. That's like pretty confirmed from the lower highs that it keeps forming. So with the downtrend it's forming, we break it down to lower time frames, and we have this trend line being broken right here. That's pretty big in this hour right now. It's tough. The sells came early on in the hour, and right now I think it's kind of tough to even sell it. But I am liking the buys. I'm liking this push up on this candlestick right here. So I'm just gonna break it down again. We have this weekly going bullish after a nice liquidity grab yesterday. The daily, same thing, liquidity grab today is kind of consolidating a little bit. When we go to the hour had a nice push down, but it's been pushing up over the past 15-20 minutes. And right now this 30-minute is opening green, so it gives us a good range to buy it for a potential reversal. So right now, based off the 15-minute, I'm going to enter a position at 1837. I'm having my stop below the previous 15-minute candlestick at 1835. And my TP is going to be 40 pips at 1841. And we'll just look at the 30-minute for that one. I think it'll be good. I mean, seems like it will be. Just making some notes on the chart earlier. Ain't bad just watching the candlesticks kind of form like that. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it went down too. I mean, it's 15 pips from the lower end. I think it'll require some patience with Bitcoin at 37,000. Not bad at all, actually. Oh yeah, my buddy sent me Aussie and Euro. I'm actually gonna look at that too. So let me pull that up while gold's just chilling. So Aussie and Euro are right here. Give me a second though, real quick. Pull up his analysis real quick. So he has a short bias on both. $230 above resistance. Yeah, that's a good stop loss. Agree with that. So a stop loss is above this resistance. Oh no, this resistance. Yeah, that makes sense right there. For a longer term trade, the 122.30, yeah, that makes sense. TP 1.2015. All right, so I got his trade basically. So he's trying to short it literally from this point up until 122 with the stop above here. And I feel like this resistance right now, I think it's kind of in a range, so it's kind of tough to short it. but I do agree with the analysis. He said it's gone down. The trend's been broken. The bullish trend's been broken on different time frames. The weekly had a big red last week, so usually has another red week this week. The monthly kind of consolidating, but that's expected of the monthly all the time. Until it has its direction near the end of the month. The 4 hour, you could easily hit this resistance at 121.70. And then between 121.70 and 122.20 is his zone. So that zone is actually nice too. So we got the hour. Hour is pushing up today. That's the only thing that kind of turns me away from it, per se. But what's a dollar? Dollar's heading down. Overall, the dollar, I think the dollar could have a couple of reversal days, just kind of like a dead cat bounce. And I do feel like if it does head up, then the euro is going to be good. So on that front, it's good for now. I'll go to 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute, it does look like it might hit closer to like 120, 170 before dropping. But he does have orders going all the way up there. So that part is good. The Aussie. Let's look at his Aussie. Let me just look at the monthly. Monthly's pretty bullish. Weekly, a little bit bearish. Daily. Stop 0.7810, right above the daily resistance. Yeah, it stops good. TP 7610. Yep, that's good too. Monthly charts, but however, price has significant resistance. Believe that it all is short term. Yeah, I agree with his analysis too. So his short orders for Aussie are going up to 77.20, 77.30, 77.50. It's going up. And then the stop loss is above the resistance. So with it above the resistance, I feel like that is a pretty good stop loss above this candlestick, just in case it pops up. The uptrend's been broken. There's no doubt about that. So in the short term, I do feel like we might get that push down just for the liquidity grab. Or just kind of the flow and volatility of how Forex moves. You have these waves up and waves down. And right now, I do feel like we have an indication of that. Might see it end up tomorrow or the day after, but overall, I do like the analysis on those. I'm not gonna deny that. So, and my analysis on gold is playing out. I think the hour flip bullish. Yeah, it usually does that. Now it's gonna finish above the support and probably continue higher to the TP. So we'll wait for that. I want to see how this finishes. Right now we're about like 9 pips in profit. So, see how that goes. feel like with my range, yeah, honestly, I don't think we'll get too much movement until tomorrow or later this week after the inauguration happens. Usually I feel like the inauguration will cause some big movement in the price of gold, especially if it's a wild one. Lots of protest, riot, all other good stuff that you see coming out the States. So this is going to be a patience type trade. I feel like with the hour pushing bullish, you might see that continue into 7 o'clock and then maybe into 7:30. We'll have to wait and see. It's about 20 pips away, so all in all, this trade does look pretty good so far. I think the biggest thing comes down to discipline for trading. It's discipline to get out, discipline to follow your analysis, discipline to take that one trade, maybe two. It basically comes down to that to be a successful trader. Just continuous, doing the same thing every single day. Don't deviate, don't get greedy. Kind of just following your analysis, same trading style every day. So, I'm gonna have a simulation session on Sunday or Saturday. Actually, that should be pretty cool. Oh, look at that! That popped up. Oh shit, that's popping up. Almost there at my price. Yeah, it's almost there. I'll probably move the stop to break even once it's above 1840. But it is popping up. That's what we like to see. That bullish momentum there. Still only like 22 pips in profit. What's the hour look? Hour pushed up. Yeah, that's classic. 5 minute. Yeah, now with that 5 minute, you're probably going to see it continue up higher. 15, same thing, and then 30 up. I'm so happy I didn't chase that short. When I woke up, I was like looking at it. The short play was there. That was there right at 6 o'clock. All that volume that came into the market. But as it started pushing up and I was waiting longer and longer for the move, you could see that was about to have a bullish reversal, especially after how it formed yesterday. And with that huge liquidity grab with the push up yesterday, right here, you knew that today was going to be in a range or push up eventually. It didn't really break levels. In order for it to go down, I think it needs to break like 1830. And then you have like clear cut sells there. Wow, 22-year-old woman accused of stealing Pelosi's laptop, planning to sell it to Russia, has been arrested. That's fucking hilarious. Wow, these crazy motherfuckers up on Capitol Hill protesting, man. I don't even know what their motive was. I don't even know what they're gonna get out of it. But fuck it. Forgot to bring out my chat box. Damn, no Honest Rob. No throwbacks. Definitely in the next hour it'll pop up. Not now, from how this thing's moving, but you can see from his momentum that in the next hour should pop up. Kind of a slow day again today too. I think it'll pick up though. We got all day, but do you think it'll pick up soon here? I think the 30 is going to close above 1940. Pop up right when the hour starts. Nah, it didn't close above 40. Either way, though, still nice. Let's look at the hour. Yeah, that hour, it's turned out pretty good. 5 minute, nice bullish move. 15, same thing. So 30, I think when the 30 flips, we're going to be good. Imagine if it goes the other way, though. That would be a first. After a 30-minute like that, you usually see the continuation in the same direction. But you never know. It could go the opposite way, too. So it's just weird to see. Not too worried about this move down right now. Feel like it's just a liquidity grab for the hour, because when you look at the hour it did pull up bullish, and this one has no top wick yet on this hour, so I think it's 7:30. If not, fucking 7:15, we're gonna see that move up. That is a nice liquidity grab though. I'll give it that. That would be a good point to possibly enter more. If I wasn't in a trade right now. I mean, I have a pretty good price, and I feel like probabilities of me getting 40 pips and my price were a lot higher. 40 pips right now, 39 to 43. It would have to go like up here in this area. I moved down maybe 30. Sorry, excuse me, 38 to 42. That would have been a good one. Stop loss would have been below the previous candlestick, which is what we have right now. As you can notice, I didn't move it below this 15 minute, but now I can actually move it below this 30 minute. Save like a few pips. I'm gonna move to 35.50, so about a 15 pip stop loss now. Once this flips though, that's gonna be a nice one. Damn, it's moving pretty slow. I think it'll hit there eventually here. Just gotta be patient with it. We adjusted the stop loss. That's pretty good. We have the right idea. There's no upper wick yet. So all in all, trade is still valid. Trade's been on for a while now, like 45, 50 minutes. Yeah, it'll happen. I think I just gotta wait. See that pop up? That's what we wanted. It was close to take profit, but not there yet. Keep it zoomed in a little. All right, since we're at 30 pips in profit, stops to break even. Change that on my black bull. About 20 pips. Take profit has been hit. We move stops to break even once we were up 30 pips, and now we're gonna hold a runner for the rest of the day, see where it can go. That was a long ass trade. Honestly, that took a while. I think I might edit the video while on stream, so it might be a little scuffed for the most part. I'm just reading some stuff right now, and then I'll get on to the editing part. Overall, it was a good trade. Waited for it, executed properly, and I mean, it was profitable, so that's what matters at the end of the day. It took a while to execute for sure, but I feel like that patience is needed sometimes. And it was there, so. That was a nice analysis once it popped down and that move upwards. When I saw it moving upwards, it just didn't seem like it had the momentum to go down. I waited for that 630 to open, seeing how it reacted. It gave me a good range for the stop loss and everything. And with that stop loss range, it actually reduced my risk, gave me confirmation for that bullish move upwards. And in all honesty, I think the price was pretty good. We got it at the bottom, which is always a good price to get it at. Buy low, sell high, right? You don't want to do the opposite there. Before we were buying high, selling low, chasing the shit out of Forex and its movements, but now I think we learned we gotta wait for that actual price confirmation. Make sure it coincides with all our analysis and just execute from there. Execute appropriately from there. So trade did turn out good. I think we only need one trade a day anyways. That's what it seems like it's happening. I think times I do more than one trade unless it's a reversal or a change in direction. It's usually when it goes bad. So I'm gonna have to cut down the multiple trades a day. 1 to 2. That's about it. That's all you really need anyways. Yeah, I think I'm gonna edit the video right now. Save some time. Should be a pretty quick one to edit anyways. I think I did pretty good on that. So I'm just gonna break it down again. We have this weekly going bullish after a nice liquidity grab yesterday. So I'm just gonna break it down again. Nice liquidity grab yesterday. We have this weekly going bullish after a nice liquidity grab yesterday. The daily, same thing, liquidity grab today is kind of consolidating a little bit. When we go to the hour had a nice push down, but it's been pushing up over the past 15-20 minutes. And right now this 30-minute is opening green, so it gives us a good range to buy it for a potential reversal. So right now, based off the 15-minute, I'm going to enter a position at 1837. I'm having my stop below the previous 15-minute candlestick at 1835. And my TP is going to be 40 pips at 1841. Stops to break even. Change that on my black bull. Yeah, that's pushing up nice. About 20 pips. Take profit has been hit. We move stops to break even once we were up 30 pips, and now we're gonna hold a runner for the rest of the day, see where it can go. That was quick. Damn, it's popping up. Another 20 pips in profit. We have this weekly going bullish after a nice liquidity grab yesterday. The daily, same thing, liquidity grab today is kind of consolidating a little bit. When we go to the hour had a nice push down, but it's been pushing up over the past 15-20 minutes. And right now this 30-minute is opening green, so it gives us a good range to buy it for a potential reversal. So right now, based off the 15-minute, I'm going to enter a position at 1837. I'm having my stop below the previous 15-minute candlestick at 1835, and my TP is going to be 40 pips at 1841. Take profit has been hit. We moved stops. We were up 30 pips, and now we're going to hold a runner for the rest of the day, see where it can go. It's a nice trade, nice slow controlled movement upwards. Market opened. How's it opening? I want to know when Trump is pardoning, actually. Fucking Trump. Classic. I'll be right back though. Well, my runner got hit at break even. So shit, I'm turning this music down as loud so. Yeah, so runner got hit at break even. Fuck it. It is what it is. Might be done around like 8:30-ish or so. Got some stuff to do today. Break even. Break even's fine. It happens, right? Wonder how you fade screens. Sorry, I'm going through straight up like switch. Edit source transition, cut. Shit, that's pretty cool. Fades in like that. Swipe, slide, fade to color, Luma wipe. What is a Luma wipe? Nah, I don't like the Luma wipe. Just delete that. Add new transition. I like the fade. Fade is nice. Fade to color. Not bad, not bad. What's a regular fade? Just fade in and out. Ah, regular fade's way better. Delete that fade to color. Swipe, slide, fade to color, Luma wipe. What's stinger? Okay. And motion. Sure. Let's try stinger first. Literally nothing. And then motion. Oh no, that gives me AIDS. There we go, fade. Fade it is. Nice. Now we got a new transition. That's smooth. That's pretty sick, actually. That was a video from yesterday. After a nice liquidity grab yesterday, daily same thing liquidity grab today. Yeah, I think the music was too loud today. I'll get. Whoa, fucking Instagram crashed mid post. That was whack. Yeah, now I think it's just gonna do some weird shit for the rest of the day, but fuck it. My coffee's almost ready in like a couple minutes. Probably get that, chill, talk a bit. I like the fade now though, the fade in and out for the screen. Obviously, as we gain more traction and viewership, etc., I'll probably make the stream better and better. I've always wanted to stream. Was a gamer back in the day, but Fortnite could have started streaming that. That would have been fun. I was crazy good at that. Weird flex, but it's true. Oh well, I'd rather stream trading. Trading's fun to stream. Yeah, then we're gonna be stuck in a range today again. Same thing as yesterday almost. Well, a little bit more volume today compared to yesterday, but same range type of day. Wonder where this will go though when the 8 o'clock candle opens. Pretty sure the 4 hour is still finishing bearish for that true 4 hour. I got rid of that chart. It's too much to sift through. I'm just gonna use this one chart. It's been working better, especially with simulations and everything. Whatever it shows, right? Mostly for day trading, I just go down from the higher time frame, see the direction, and then from the lower time frame, 1 hour, 30, 15, 5. That's a true trading area for me. What I mean by true trading area is that that's where I base my trades off of. If I'm going to go long or short, where my stop loss is going to be, how I'm going to plan the trade, I'm going to execute the trade, manage the trade, etc. That's all based off those 4 time frames. Looks like it's going to go down. It's interesting. Very interesting. Euro's dropping, eh? Had a couple. Nice. That candlestick down. That was it right there. So 8 o'clock hour opened. I'm actually grab a coffee. I'll be right back. I think at 8:30 I'll be out. Continue the rest of my day. I'm just trying to stay on stream for a bit longer. This I would not have gone short on. To follow my analysis, I have the green momentum. I would have actually been looking for longs. Oh, wow. Stuck in my throat. That's why I like trading at 6. Every time at 6 o'clock you get that movement. I like that movement. It always happens. It's like that little push up. But you have that consistency at 6 a.m. every single time. And I feel like that's been beneficial for me for the most part. I just gotta continue doing that. They're all mental notes anyways, so I mean, gotta do it, right? See, this is why I don't like trading at this time. Look at that. You have this big ass red candlestick. We should the hour look pretty red too. Yep. And now look, the 8 o'clock's pushing up. That's why I said we're in a range today. I feel like the faster I can identify ranges, the better it is for my trading. Because range days are my forte. I like the trend days, where you just see that bull momentum and just shit just rips through the roof, or even like the selling pressure and the shit just tanks or something. Those are my types of days, anyways. That's when I am most profitable on those days. Tongue twister, but that's when I find to be most profitable. Whenever it's trending on the range days, that's when it kills. But I mean, faster I am at identifying them, and as long as I can control risk on the range days, then I'm still in a pretty good situation. So. There we go. I think 8 o'clock's gonna drop down. I think you're gonna get from like 34 to 30 from the looks of it, from the 30 minute and how the hour closed, last hour closed. Yeah, this thing's about to go down. You know what? Fuck it, since I'm here and I want to test some shit. Well, I'm gonna practice it. So I put a short at 1834. See if I get 20 pips. It's a 15 at. Put my stop is at 39. It's not the best risk reward, but I'm just testing it out. Very small position though. You only get 30 pips. Yeah, I just want to look at the 5. Fuck it. Let's see if it can get down there. What is on it? It's 9 o'clock. Corn inspector. Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, there we go. Should drop. Oh, let's see. Should drop to like 1830. We'll see. Man, I should have entered on the flip, actually. You know what? I'm going to exit. Let's get out of that. Fucking took a couple pip loss. Should have entered on the flip once it moved up bullish. Had the short at 1836 and then kind of had that short. So we'll see how that goes. I want to see if it does get down in this 30 minute or the next 30 minute. See which one it does get down in. Yeah, it's not really doing much, to be honest. I think I'm gonna end the stream though. Not really much going on. I'm just like reading news and whatnot, just chilling. Not much going on. But hold on, give me a sec. I'm just checking some stuff. Hey, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. Just read some stuff. Hope everybody enjoyed that trade. The trade was nice. The second trade, yeah, gotta improve on that. I mean, if I did want to do another trade, I was just looking, trying to watch his price action and everything. But other than that, hope everybody has a good day. Rest of the day, don't overtrade. Stay safe.